tired of that one friend whose messages are constantly buzzing into your Facebook Messenger with the messages that you just can't ignore, but you wish you could? Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel GetAssist, and today I am going to show you how to turn off notification for that one particular person on Facebook Messenger, step by step, which is updated for the 2025 Messengers interface. So let's get started. The very first step is to open Messenger. Open the Messenger app on your smartphone. Make sure you are on the latest version. If not, head to the Play Store or App Store and hit that update button. Step 2 is to find the chat. Scroll through your chats and tap on the conversation of the person whose notification you want to turn off. This won't block them, won't unfriend them, you will still get messages just without the annoying ping. The third step is to tap on their name. Now once the chat opens, tap on their name or profile icon at the top of the screen. This takes you to the chat settings page. The next step is to mute notifications. In the settings menu, look for the option that says mute notifications. It might also appear as notification and sounds in some versions. Once you tap it, Messenger will ask mute for 15 minutes, 1 hour, until 8 am or until I turn it back on. Choose the one that fits you. We recommend until I turn it back on if you want complete peace. And that's it. No unnecessary buzz from that particular person, but you can still check on the message by clicking on it. So if this video has helped you out in any way, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.